In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon on Shopify. Adding a favicon is a great way to enhance the branding of your online store by incorporating a small but important visual element that appears in the browser tab or address bar. It helps with brand recognition by keeping your logo visible to the customer, even when they're not on your site page at the time. To begin, start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, you'll land on the main dashboard page. From here, look for the section on the left-hand side labeled Online Store. Clicking on it will open a new section that handles various aspects of your site, primarily concerning its themes and layout. Next, identify the theme you are currently utilizing for your store. Within this section, you'll find an option to customize that theme. Click this button to open a customizable editor where you'll be able to tweak and tailor your store's appearance to fit your branding and style guidelines. Once you're in the customization area, keep an eye out for a little gear icon. Clicking on this icon will guide you into the theme settings, offering more detailed options on how you can modify or enhance user experience on your site. Inside the themes settings, locate the top option labeled Logo and Favicon. Click it to access the specific area designed for adjusting your logo and favicon. This section is crucial as it helps manage the visual elements that represent your brand on customer browsers. Within this logo and favicon setting, you'll see an option specifically for the favicon, which is usually listed below where you'd set or adjust your logo. This is where you'll click to proceed with uploading or selecting the favicon image you'd like to use. To set your favicon, you can either upload a new image or select one from your existing files. Make sure that the image is clear and of appropriate size and resolution, as an unclear or pixelated favicon might not present your brand professionally. Once you have selected the image, click on Done to confirm your choice. With the favicon selected, remember to click on Save at the top right corner of the page. This action will ensure that the changes you made are applied to your online store, helping maintain a consistent brand image across all touchpoints. Finally, click on Exit to leave the editing interface. And voila, you're all done. Your favicon is now added and will be displayed in the browser tab whenever someone visits your Shopify store, helping to solidify brand recognition. Keep in mind that a well-placed favicon is a subtle but effective way of keeping your brand at the forefront of your customer's mind.